Hello, I'm Henrik Köster from NMWP.NRW State Cluster, which stands for Nanotechnologies, Microsystems, Advanced Materials and Photonics in North Rhine-Westphalia. And today I would like to give you some more information about the 9th NRW Nano-Conference, which will take place from the 21st up to the 23rd of April this year, virtually due to the corona situation. It is carried out by the Ministry of Economic Affairs in North Rhine-Westphalia, by the Economic Development Agency in Münster, and by us, NMWP.NRW. And I think we managed to get the most important things from the classic nano conferences into the digital rooms. We have a very good program. We have over 50 speeches in 10 topic sessions. We have a poster exhibition with scientific posters, with about 60 scientific posters. We have networking possibilities on each topic with video conferencing, and we have an exhibition with institutes and companies which would really like to meet you. And now I will switch to my computer and I will show you how you can get the most out of the Nano Conference for your own purpose. Thank you.
So, but before we enter the conference, I would like to show you how you can register to the conference if you haven't done that yet. The registration of to the conference takes place on our NMWP portal. It's the address portal.nmwp.de. You have to create an account. It's free of charge, the account. And as soon as you have done this, you can log in. And then you will see the section events. And on top of the events, you will find the 9th NRW Nano-Conference. And here you can click on register. I'm already registered, so therefore this button has a green hook. So as soon as you are registered to the conference, you can be found in the participant list. And about 1 week before the conference, we will send you your individual link to access the conference. As soon as we send you the link, please check if the link works properly, just to be sure that you don't have any trouble accessing the conference when it starts, so that we can help you just before the conference starts. Okay, so now back to the conference. Now, on the top of the conference, it's just like a website. You can find the navigation bar. So whatever you are looking for, you can find the most important things for the conference in the navigation bar. Or you can press on these bubbling points which show that there's something interactive. You will find them everywhere in the exhibition, in the poster exhibition, and also in the conference halls. So now let's enter the conference. Welcome to our lobby. You can find the conference program on our website, but also you can see the conference program. This is our website, but it's embedded into this software solution. You can find the conference program also if you're clicking on the bubble, and then you can see the topics, and the session A takes place in conference hall 1 and B in conference hall 2. So if we go back to the lobby, you can see here's the conference hall 1 and 2. So if you want to join the conference hall 1, just click on this button, and then you can see, yes, you're right, this is the conference hall 1. And if you click on this link, you will enter the session, the topic session. All the topic sessions will take place in the software Zoom. So I think it's a very broadly used software solution. So I think no one should have any problems accessing our sessions. You should be able to use to join our sessions without any problems by a browser, because you shouldn't need a plug-in. The same for the software itself, for the conference. It's Expo-IP. It's just like a content management system for websites, but this is specially made for conferences. Okay, so now you know how to join our topic sessions. And now we have a third software we are using. It's for the matchmaking. So it's called Wonder. It's also based on browsers, so you don't need any plugins. So as you can see here, this is our matchmaking area, and we divided all the 10 topic sessions, topics, into 4 networking rooms, just not to have it too complex. So you can decide which topic you're looking for. And for example, the first one, health and medicine. If you're interested in this, just click on this button and you will get the hint that you are now leaving the conference itself. And to show you what happens now, I have to deactivate my camera. Sorry for that. If I click on next, I will join our Wonder Room. So it works. So as you can see, you have this Wonder Room, you have those 3 topics as already mentioned. And as you can see, we have 2 colleagues in this meeting and they're already in a video chat. If 2 people coming near to each other, this white section, this white circle appears and then they're in a video chat. So I think I will join them. Hello. So, and as you can see, in this case, we have a video chat. It opens automatically. You will be able to share your screen. At this button, you can switch your camera on and off, your microphone as well. And here you have a lock. If you lock your circle, no one else would be able to enter the circle, and you have a more private discussion. So I think this is it for the Wonder Rooms. We have the same solution for our poster exhibition. And I think we would be very happy if you use this opportunity to get into contact with other people. So thank you. And now you understand, hopefully you understand this, this graphic. So you can decide which topics you are interested in, and then you can join these Wonder Rooms. I think it's interesting to know that you can join just 1 Wonder Room per time. So you can't join 2 Wonder Rooms at the same time. It just doesn't work. So you have to decide. And to be sure to have the best experience of the conference in the Wonder Rooms, please use a laptop or a desktop PC or Mac, whatever, because some tablets don't work with Wonder, but not all. So this is our matchmaking area. So now you know the 3 software solutions we use. We use Expo IP for the conference itself. For the sessions, we use Zoom. And for the networking, we use Wonder. Now, then next we have the poster exhibition. Here you can find all our scientific poster. You can see the title of the poster, the authors, and where they come from. And if you're interested in this topic, just click on to booth, and then you can see this preview of the poster. You will again see the title and the author and where he comes from. And if you're still interested and you want to get more into detail, you can download each poster to get a better overview and to be able to read it. So if you download it, then you can open it. And now you have a much better possibility to read all the information. And if you're interested in getting into contact with the author, just click on this link, poster session. And for this poster sessions, again, we use Wonder. So if you click on this, you will again enter a Wonder Room, and we have smaller fields, just like in the topic sessions. We have in the topics networking Wonder Rooms, we have smaller fields where you can find the title, the author, and where it comes from, and then you can enter this area, and within the pause phases and the coffee breaks, in every break, you should be able, and we would be pleased if you use the matchmaking area, if you visit our poster exhibition, and overall, please visit our exhibition. We have a lot of very innovative companies who joined our exhibition, and also in the breaks at each booth, people are available via their contact forms, whatever they would like to do, via chat, via the Zoom meetings, via Wonder rooms. There are several possibilities. For example, I can show you our booth. So this is our booth. So in every booth, you've got interactive elements. You can see videos. You can find links. At our booth, for example, you can take a look at our magazines, read a little bit. You can find our website. What is still missing in our booth is we decided to have a Wonder Room for our networking. And on some of these booth, you will find these small icons in the lower right corner. And here you have the possibility to chat with the partners, with company contacts, to get into contact. If you scroll down just a little bit, you will get all those informations you can find here. You get them listed beneath each other, and over that, so it's worth scrolling down, you have a contact form. So if you don't want to type anything into a chat, or if you don't want to join a Wonder Room or whatever, you can just write an email and you will get, hopefully you will get a quick response. You can also see where the company is located. So if you're from North Rhine-Westphalia or wherever you do come from, maybe you can take a look and where the company is situated, and if it's possible to visit him. Okay, this is about the poster exhibition. So now again, so this is it in the end. So you can, now you know how to join our sessions, you know how to network. And we told all the exhibitors and also the poster exhibitors that they need to be available at any break. So I think it's very, if you want to connect with any people, it's very useful to try this during the breaks. So yes, thank you very much. And if you would, if you're not already registered to the 9th NRW Nano-Conference, I think this is a very, very innovative conference. You will get a lot of information about cutting edge technologies, and you get the opportunity to get into contact with high-class stakeholders from nanotechnologies, quantum technologies, advanced materials, application fields. So I think it's worth joining the conference. And because of the Corona situation, as already mentioned, we decided to have a very low entrance fee, so that I think in future you might not get the chance to get a first insight into the Nano-Conference series at such a low budget. So I think it's definitely worth joining the conference. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope I will see you all at the 9th NRW Nano Conference. Thank you, and bye-bye.